Hey everybody, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at the new Taurus GX2. Taurus just launched this. It's already at the Fin. That's where I picked it up, and I purchased this for a budget price. It measures up well with some of the other handguns. We're actually going to do a quick size comparison with the very popular Taurus G3C, and then show some shooting footage because I put quite a few rounds through this. Let's do it. When Taurus announced the GX2, a lot of people were surprised. I was surprised. Nobody saw it coming, but they did. They came out with this Taurus GX2, and what they did was they put the GX4 trigger in there that a lot of people love. It is a flat face trigger. They increased the magazine capacity compared to some of their other subcompact handguns to 13 rounds. They do offer 2 in the case, and they kept it budget priced. The MSRP on this is $310. I really like what they did with the grip texturing. When you grip this, it feels really nice. That texturing all throughout gives a great grip on the gun, and you feel in complete control of it. And I have always liked the GX4 trigger. That flat face trigger is nice. Let's check that out. It's a nice, clean, crisp break with a fairly short reset. Taurus is marketing this toward CCW. There's no doubt about that. They have many of their handguns, including the GX4 series, the G3 series. CCW is where it's at, and a lot of people would go with this for CCW and the budget price of $310 MSRP. I will tell you that it's much less at the Fin. It just is, and it inspired me to pick this up. Taurus GX2. Let's start with the plates over here. All right, let's go over here to the rabbit. We'll go down below. It does come with a thumb safety. Now, we know that Taurus offers many handguns with the thumb safety. This G3C has a thumb safety, but they also offer another model without it. So will they come out with this without the thumb safety? I think it's possible. They do have very deep forward slide serrations and rear. It does have serrated black rear sights that are drift adjustable, a pinned in front dot, a sight hole indicator, and a barrel length of 3.38 inches. So approximately 3.4-inch barrel. A 3-slot Picatinny rail, and it is light, right around 21 ounces. And that's pretty light for a CCW handgun. If you go with this, it'll come in this cardboard box with another 13-round magazine warranty card, lock, manual, and everything else that Taurus typically offers. But let's go ahead and run it down with the G3C. The GX2 has a little bit of a longer barrel. We'll see it right there. Not much. And the slide actually looks quite similar. And I think we'll notice that throughout. The grip length, not that big of a difference. Holds an additional round, and we'll see that, well, a little bit right there. The triggers are different. There's no doubt about that. Here we have a different trigger pull. Taurus calls both of these single action. This one offers restrike capability, yet the GX2 offers a flat face trigger. So if you're familiar with Taurus, you'll know that the GX4 models have that, and that's what they're doing. They're sort of combining both that they think many people will enjoy. The shooting impressions, I felt a little bit smoother with the G3C. And why is that? Well, this is a bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter. And when you shoot side by side, which I did, and I do plan to do a complete breakdown between the two of them, I will also mention that again, because that is my experience. Taurus G3C. We'll start with the plates. Top. Now, the disassemble with this is very common with the tabs. You take it down, pull the trigger, off comes the slide. This, they reconfigured it. It's very interesting the way they did this. You simply pull the trigger and you take this lever and push it down, and that will release this. Well, you do have to keep that trigger pulled, and that will release the slide from the frame. And then here it has the dual captive recoil spring and the 3.38-inch barrel. So I think they did that. When they did that, I was impressed, because I first looked at it and said, how the heck do you disassemble this? And then when you put it back together, you just rack the slide in. It puts that lever right back into its rest position. Nice feel to it. A little more recoil than the G3C, but overall the size is not that great of a difference. And if you like the G3C, would you give this up for the GX2? That's what I'd like to know. And it'd be interesting to hear some of the comments back. If you're interested in a budget handgun, this would not be a bad choice. It's, well, a little bit over 200 bucks is what it's going for at the fin. I like the wide trigger guard, very cool. Overall, not a bad handgun for what they're asking for it. Are they reinventing the wheel? No, I don't think so. They're simply adding the GX4 trigger in this, redesigned the grip texturing, put a little bit of a longer barrel, an additional round, and I'm pretty sure they feel that would be attractive to many people. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.